everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, then just welcome to my channel. But if you're coming back, thank you so much for coming back and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing a Influencer Voxbox unboxing. A lot of boxes in there. And if you're unfamiliar of what Influencer is, or even if you are familiar and you're just interested in seeing what I got in my box, keep on watching because I'll explain everything and show all. So I'm going to first start out with explaining what Influencer is. If you're familiar with Influencer and know how that works, I'll go ahead and have timestamps in the description so you can skip ahead to the product and the product tryout. But if you don't know, then I'm going to go ahead and explain it here. So Influencer is a company that sends out free samples, full-size products, sorry, I shouldn't say samples, free full-size products for you to try and review for the companies. They work with all different types of companies, and so it can be anything in a range of foods, like snacks and health snacks, to beauty, to hair care, skin care, all kinds of stuff. They do more focus on beauty and skincare, but they do give out samples of other products, and it's all just basically based on surveys that you take on their website and the reviews that you put up on there. So I'll provide the link to Influencer in my description as well, so that if you're interested in joining, I want to say subscribing, but if you're interested in joining, you can go ahead and do so with the link that I have in my description box. And it's a very simple process to get started. I mean, it's free to sign up, and you don't pay any shipping or handling on any of the products that come in. And basically what you do is you go on there and you start out with taking surveys, or what they call snaps. They're short little surveys on just like, do you use this type of products? Do you use foundations? What type of foundations do you use? And then they give you brand names or other names. You can put in your own names, or you can search for other names of the products. And then when you choose those, at the end of the snap, it'll ask you to review some of the products that you've already used. And basically what the review is it goes on the Influencer website, because people also use Influencer to kind of research products. Like if you're interested in knowing if a certain lipstick or foundation or primer, or even a certain chip tastes good, you know, a certain fabric softener works great. I mean, it's any product out there. You can go to Influencer and search it and see if people have put reviews up on there on like how they've liked it or what they've done. You can also ask questions on the product, and other influencers and people who are, I don't want to say subscribe, but people who are part of that community will answer your questions based on their use of the product. So it's really neat. I do like to use the app. It is an app on your phone and a website. Now the website you can go check out and do your reviews, but the app is how you'll go ahead and actually do your Influencer Voxboxes. So that's what they call the actual box that they send you with the products you're going to try. And then you earn badges from completing things on the product, like reviewing it, putting up pictures to your social media, etc. You'll earn points and badges. And the more badges you have, the better chance you have at receiving products to try out. Also, if you do your snaps, as well as putting your social media accounts, linking it to Influencer, depending on how many people you have, it can help what they call your influence number. The higher it is, it can help, but it's not required, because when I started out with Influencer, I didn't have a big following. I still don't have a huge following, but they still sent me products to try out. So you don't have to be a huge influencer or have a huge following to actually get free products to try out. But you do need to kind of be active and just answer some snaps on there or surveys and do some reviews on some products. So that's basically it. Again, I'll provide the link in the description if you want to sign up yourself. But we'll go ahead and go on to unboxing my box and showing you the product that I got. I know what I got because when you do Influencer, it'll tell you, hey, congratulations, you got such and such box. This is what you're getting. So I know what I'm getting, but I want to go ahead and unbox it for you guys, freshly new. I haven't even opened the package, and then get into a tryout of the product. It first came, they didn't come shipped in a bag like this. They just came in the box, kind of exactly like BoxyCharm. If you've ever seen a BoxyCharm, or if you haven't, you can check out my BoxyCharm unboxings. But just like that, sealed with the label on it. That's how they mailed it to you. Now they mail it in this nice little bag, I guess, for the protection of the box. So I'm going to go ahead and open it. It's an easy tear, which is awesome. And the product that I did receive from Influenster was a Smashbox product. So it is the Smashbox Voxbox, and it does say LA looks good on you. So awesome. And that's a nice picture of the lips. So I know it is a lip product, and I want to say it is also, there's the Influencer logo. And then they always give you like a hashtag you use to tag your post on social media. This one is hashtag LA looks good on you. It's a share your look with. So when you share it on social media, you can use that hashtag, as well as Smashbox and Influencer. But I think there's also a concealer in here. So let me go ahead and open this up. So it's a simple box, simple packaging. I mean, you know, like usual subscription box. You open it up, you see your information. It has the card and the products. So I'll get into the card first. So it says Los Angeles, LA looks good on you. So this non-sticky moisturizing lip gloss is your shortcut to nourished, fuller looking lips with a splash of LA inspired color. So that is this. So this is the Smashbox Los Angeles. I'm excited to try this. I don't think I've ever tried any Smashbox product. If you don't know much about me, I am really just starting to get into the world of makeup. So I use drugstore makeup, and I'm trying to get up there and trying different types. That's why I subscribe to my BoxyCharm, to kind of get new products in and try out new stuff. I don't know a whole lot about makeup. I know from what I've seen on YouTube and following other makeup influencers and artists, and just learning as I go. So I've never tried Smashbox before, so I'm excited to try this out. So again, this is the Los Angeles. It does say that this has hyaluronic acid that hydrates and plumps lips. It has vitamin E that nourishes and keeps lips soft. It evenly builds from sheer to medium color, and it is cruelty free. It's available in 14 sheer glosses in cream and shimmer finishes, and 1 extra shine lip gloss. So that's the Los Angeles lipstick. This is in the color, does it say? Beachy Keen. Oh, which is I hope it looks like a nice kind of nudie color, which is nice for summer. Beachy Keen, I like that name. Summer's coming up. It's already feeling like summer here where I live in Texas. So loving the summer theme. And then the other thing on the back it shows here is the Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer Shape Conceal Highlight. So that's the back of the card has information on the other product. So that would be this, the Smashbox Studio Skin Flawless 24-Hour Concealer. Here's the box. This does say it has a petal-shaped perforated wand designed for smooth, no-streak application. The benefits of it is it's 24-hour wear, it's medium to full coverage, it's vegan and cruelty-free, it's formulated without parabens, I can't say this, phthalates, sorry if I said that wrong, oil or fragrance, which the fragrance part is awesome because my face is sensitive to fragrance. I've said it time and time again. I have a sensitivity to fragrance. It tends to burn my skin and make it real red and irritated. So I'm glad it does not have fragrance in it. So it says that, and it says that you can share the look with hashtag Studio Skin. So, and then it does give you instructions here on how you should post. basically you log into your profile, you're going to review it. They ask you to review it on Sephora and Ulta, and then review your, oh, the gloss. They want the gloss reviewed on Sephora and Ulta, and they want the skin concealer to be reviewed on Ulta. And then, of course, we are always supposed to disclose, and I will disclose, that these products that I received are free or complimentary for testing purposes, and all the reviews and opinions that I say on this are my own thoughts, and my own opinions are always the truth. So, here we go. So, and that's it. The rest of it is just paper and then an empty box. So I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side. I do want to take out the products from the packaging and just show you the actual product. So we'll start out with the lip gloss. So here it is here. This is the Smashbox right here, and then it says, ooh, that glare. And then the other side says, ooh, Gloss Angeles. And then it has the color on the bottom, Beachy, if I can get that, Beachy Keen. Sticker's coming off. And let me go ahead and just take a look at the doe foot. So the doe foot is a, let me see here, focus. A flatter, as you can see, it's kind of flat on the side and wide. It doesn't scoop in or anything. It's just a flat wand. And it does have a little bit of a sweet smell. Not overly strong or overpowering. I'm going to go ahead and swatch it on my hand just so we can get a good swatch of it right now. Ooh, that is a pretty color. It is feel kind of sticky on my back of my hand. I don't know if we can see this here. That is a pretty color. I do like that color. It is really pretty. It's like a, I'm not good at naming colors. It's a really pretty color, and it is glossy, like you can see with my light, like the shine. It does feel kind of sticky on the back of my hand. Just putting it on with the wand and feeling it. So I'm not sure how it's gonna feel. It's gonna feel sticky, but we'll find out. But it is very pretty. I do love the color, and I do love the shine. I do love matte lipsticks, but I also love shine as well. So sometimes you just want to be glossy. So this is really perfect to have the color and the gloss there. So we will try this one. I didn't tell you the concealer color is in light, medium, warm. It says it right here. Light, medium, warm. So I hope it is my shade. I know when you fill out the little snaps and stuff, they ask you for your shade range and your colors and stuff. And I'm not sure if I explained mine right or even know how to kind of shade myself. So I hope I did it right. But this is the concealer, the container, or the package, not the package, the actual product. It says Smashbox there, and then it has just the information on the back, and then the color on the bottom. And then let's go ahead and open this one. So this one, so this does have, even though it says no fragrance, or it's fragrance formulated without fragrance, it doesn't have a perfumey smell or nothing, but it does kind of have a paint smell like your general concealers do, and makeup that doesn't have any added fragrance. It smells like paint, like a little paintly or painty. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of that smell, but I know it doesn't last very long. Hopefully this one doesn't. Most of the products don't. And it's not very strong, but the smell is there. So this is the doe foot. You can tell it's got a little point, kind of like a teardrop, and it is flat, and it doesn't have a scoop in there, but it is flat, so you can see like the product holds up on there. Let me go ahead and swatch this one too. So I'm not sure if that's my color, but we will test it out. Looks like it might be okay. It might be a little bit on the I don't know. We'll find out. Again, I'm not good at shading myself, so we'll see. It looks like it would be fine. It looks like it's a good, maybe to make it lighter, brighten it up, so we will try that out. But it is nice. It does feel nice. It did glide on nice. It does look like it is, like it said, medium to full coverage, because when I did put it on there, you can see some spots that if we went over again it would be full, and some spots are full because it did get a lot of the product.
So I did film the try on portion of this along with some BoxyCharm stuff that I tried on, but it turned out to be way too long to include into this video. So we're just gonna jump ahead to the final look, but I will be doing a separate video on that.
So here is the complete look. I hope that you guys enjoyed my video. Thank you so much to Influenster and Smashbox for sending out these great products for me to try. I'm going to continue using the concealer throughout the week and see how it does work, you know, over a period of time. But so far today it was great, as well as the gloss lipstick, the Gloss Angeles. I really did like this one, so this one is going to be a go-to for me. If you liked what you saw today and you enjoyed it, please subscribe. Hit that subscribe button so that you are subscribed to my channel. And while you're at it, click the little bell so that you are notified anytime I update or upload a video. Since I don't have a consistent day that I do upload, like every such and such day, you'll probably want to hit that bell to be notified when I do upload a new video. Hey guys, just wanted to do a check-in. It's been about 4.5 hours and I'm doing this with natural light from my window. Oh, let me take off my glasses that glare. So I think it's looking pretty good. The concealer's held up pretty good. I don't have a lot of creases or anything, just the wrinkles that happened when I first put it on, the wrinkles that came out. Besides that, no new ones, no creasing. It's held up pretty good in my T-zone. Yeah, and the actual entire makeup has. I do have a few bumps here from my rosacea coming out, but it's just because it's 1,000,000 degrees outside and I went and picked up my son and lunch and stuff, so it's the heat irritating me more than anything else. Yeah, but the concealer did very well so far. I just wanted to go ahead and do this check-in now because I was out in the heat and running around, and I thought, oh, let me just quickly do a check-in. So far so good. Bye.